Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sign out from Banggood. So if you also want to sign out from Banggood, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open Banggood application. You can see over here Banggood is opened. You can see several deals over here. You can also see several products. You can purchase any product of your choice. Now in order to sign out of your account, all you have to do is go to your accounts. Simply tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to your accounts. You can see over here, you can see several options. What you have to do is go to settings. Simply tap on the settings icon that you can see at the top right corner. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several settings options over here like account settings, address book, change password, etc. Scroll down. At last, you'll be able to see the button for sign out. All you have to do is tap on it. Now this kind of box will pop up. If you sign out, you will not receive any order, delivery or promotion alerts. Here you can see option for leave and stay. All you have to do is tap on the leave option. Now you can see over here you are signed out from Banggood. So that is how you sign out from Banggood. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.